हरि इन कथा हरि इन कथा है कथा understand?
Where is Hari?
Hari Hari the कथा if you speak Hari katha Hari is there
In Bengali is where
Hari katha yes Hari katha who will speak you want to speak will you not speak Vrindavan
No. I don't give Harikatha.
you did not give Hari katha
Harikatha is from here there is no Hari.
no Hari
Hari Kirtan. Hari Kirtan.
Hari Kirtan Kirtanak Kavati Om Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshurmitang Jena Tasmai Shri Gurave Gaurachandraya Radhikari Tadari Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadabhaktaya Namo Mahavadannaya Krishnaya Bhaktayati Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Name Gaurati He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpati Gopi Sarvakanta Radhakanta Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanusute Devi Pranamami Hari Om Vrindavai Tulasi Devai Priyavai Kesavasya Cha Krishna Bhakti Radhe Devi Sarvabhavani Aparada Lakshai Iktastamani Alangamani Kripavaitam Saranam Ramanam Bhinde Namaste Charanam Namaste Charanam Bhinde Namaste Jajiri Pattivi Dandavadrudarti Assa Prasadmandasa Sadatra Gandharvike Nijagane Ganana Angashamridhi Jatamandi Kitandrivaram Jagram Jatu Pururoti Sampatram Varasasiyam Vrindavanivasana Sattamani Damodaram Radha Skandamivishrujarujan Jayam Sudamo Tavaivasri Najivami Taya Bina ईदे निकायते आदि तन नया वंशे दूषित परान्नवनीरदावात् पीताम्बरारुण बिम्ब फलादृष्टा पूर्णेन्दु सुन्दर मुखात् अरविन्द्र कृष्णात् परम तत्त्वं किमपि अहं न जाने कृष्णात् परम तत्त्वं किमपि अहं न जाने न विदाचे राज्यं न च कनकमाणिक्यं विभं न जायं ब्रह्मं सकलजनकामं वरवधूं मे सदा काले काले प्रमोदवतीन विदचरितो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भावतु जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भावतु श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. What is it? इसका था. So first of all, offer my humble, respectful Pranam, lotus feet of Gurupad Padma Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtotara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavananda Sri Maharaj, and Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtotara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavananda Sri Maharaj, and seven tenacity offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of all senior devotees, all Vaishnava devotees, and senior devotees, and all my guests. So, just I want to speak few words. How you develop our sadhan and bhajan. What do you do?
Develop
Sadhan and bhajan. Generally people are thinking sadhan and bhajan both are same thing. Right? But in our acharyas, they explain sadhan and that thing are bhajan. Conditions so they can't do bhajan. And they can sadhan. Or bhajan, when you do bhajan, one who liberates from this material world, and he realizes his own siddha, transcendental consciousness form. And with his transcendental consciousness form siddha, then he will serve his istha. That is called bhajan. Bhajate, siddhate iti bhajan. High level stage. Actually, sadhak, when we come in the stage of rati and bhava dasha, then he will be realizing his own siddha, they are transcendental principle. And that time also 9 external symptoms and 3 internal symptoms will come. Chandra Pratilapa Kalatam Bharvipti Manasannata Asa Bandhu Samutkantai Nama Gani Sadarusi Asiti Thought Gunanukkhan or Priti Thought Vasivista Itra Surajita Bhavam Kure. This is the process. So 9 external symptoms. First is called Shanti. Shanti means peaceful mind. And as like Parikshit Maharaj. And he heard after 7 days he will be died. And very poisonous serpent snake will come and bite him. But Parikshit Maharaj very happy. Why?
100%
After 7 days, I will die. That means 7 days I will be alive. But we don't know how long we will be alive in this nature. So sometimes you will use this word. You know certificate, you know ID. ID? What written is there? Date of your birth. But not written?
Date of death.
Date of death.
Other documents.
That means everybody will know your date of birth. She is saying date of birth. Death you don't know. If you know your date of death, then you will be crying. Always crying. And crying. That is called the Maran Kanna. Maran Kanna is it? You will cry for. And man, you see, this. But one thing is this is the sure and certain will be done. This is called the absolutely truth. But when, it just you don't know which date. So now coming in this way, the Shanti Pradhoin, Parikshit Maharaj, he heard after 7 days, the snake, Tapchak, very poisonous snake, serpent. Tapchak, what is his name? Tapchak. He will come and bite him. Then he will die. When heard this then Parikshit Maharaj is very happy. Why he is happy? 7 days he will be alive. This is guaranteed. 7 days he will be alive or not?
Yeah.
But we have no guarantee. And how many days will be alive? Parikshit Maharaj told you. In 7 days I will be alive. That means within 7 days I will be alive. So only Parikshit Maharaj, he know his date of death. Good or not? Not good. You are saying good. If you would know your date of death, that time you will not do anything. No business, no anything. This is true or not? Parikshit Maharaj did or not? He did not perform any business, nothing. Now you are doing everything. Why? Because you don't know the
Day of death.
date of this is true.
Mara.
But Parikshit Maharaj that time he told, yeah, I will alive 7 days. So what will do now?
O que eu devo fazer agora?
Parikshit Maharaj told you. Then he called all the Rishi Munis.
Maharaj chamou todos os rishis,
Hã?
munis.
They what will do? Give me some
Por favor, me
instruction
dê
to
uma
ask
instrução,
me.
um conselho.
Different Rishi Munis, they also give different their
Instruções diferentes.
and instruction. Kormi sadhu, Gyani sadhu, Yogi sadhu,
Yogi sadhu.
different sadhu. Sadhu not,
Nós todos os
Same.
sadhus são iguais.
understand? You don't think
Não tem
you all sadhu are
todos os sadhus
same.
são os mesmos.
And we are not the same.
A gente não é igual,
Difference or not?
não tem diferença.
What the difference?
Qual a diferença? Male,
Male, female, and age difference,
não tem referência
Hã?
de sexo,
language difference, many things.
idade, linguagem.
Eating, sleeping also different.
Come, dorme de maneira diferente.
You eating what things?
O que você gosta de comer? Pasta,
Pasta,
Ah,
ice cream.
pizza,
macarrão,
Huh?
sorvete,
açaí,
Hey, what is it? Kosa.
açaí,
açaí,
açaí, pasta,
mandioca,
Pizza.
Listen, pizza.
pizza, pizza,
You like or not?
bolo,
yeah,
Huh?
bolo,
cake, cake.
bolo.
And I am not eating. All were eating, I am not eating. I am not eating. What is it called?
Pizza.
Pizza.
Ice cream.
Ice cream,
Acai.
açaí, bolo, cake,
Chocolate.
chocolate.
Sometimes you take it if I don't know this one.
Às vezes eu não estou sabendo como isso aqui.
I don't know. Hey? What you like? Huh?
Chapati.
What do you eat?
But what I am saying, you are also eating this cup.
Mas o que eu
You
Ah,
are eating also rice or not?
rice, dal,
Dal,
sabji,
huh?
Pacoya,
Pakoda,
samosa.
Chutney.
samosa I am not eating. You are eating no? Laju.
lado,
Sometimes I eat also laju not eating. Huh? Sweet, very good, yeah.
sanduíche da sua
Huh?
Sanduíche.
Sandesh and rasgulla. Sometimes. But they are sweet sometimes. Huh? Only little bit, not much. Huh? One rasgulla is too
much.
for me. But you, how many rasgulla you take?
10,
Ah,
20.
10.
20 maybe.
Da segunda competition.
Rasgulla competition. Huh? How many you take?
5, maybe 30, 40.
Huh?
Ah, if it's available,
It's impossible.
if it's available,
If it's available.
if it's available,
So
bravo.
you come in Delhi.
Ah,
How much you can eat?
ah,
Daily, every day, everybody eat lot of.
ah, yeah.
And this way, not finish.
Yeah. You cannot finish.
When you come, remind you, I give you.
Ah, tá ferrado.
Huh? Okay, so how do we say? Huh?
We are not the same.
And we are not the same.
Sadhus, different sadhus.
Different sadhus. Karmi sadhu, they told, hey Maharaj, we do karma. What is karma? Give charity, donation, good karma, not bad karma. Huh? Good karma. Charity, donation, then you will go heaven, sarva lok. Ekam bhukta sarva lokam visalam, chine pune matta lokam visan. You charity, donation, go heaven. And after ending the sense gratification, again coming back. And again do good karma, again coming.
Open.
Nice lift job.
Yeah.
What job? Understand? Lift job, understand? Some people also their job. Big building, They are there. His job is what? When the people coming, taking the elevator, pressing and going and taking care.
Assessorista.
Up and down, whole day. This is his job. 8 hours is his job. Going up and down.
Indo pra cima e pra baixo.
Not going out. Not going. Just up and down. Kobu sarge, kobu morte, nareke ba kobu das. Kobu Prabhu, kobu das. And kobu raja, kobu Prabhu. And sometimes going to heaven, hell, good karma, then going to hell, narak, because bad karma. Karma is very easy. So saying kobu sarge, kobu morte, kobu das, Prabhu. Sometimes you will become master, Prabhu, or sometimes you will become das, servant. This is very easy. Just to forget.
Então, você só esqueceu do karma que você fez anteriormente.
So this is karma is this. So Karmi Sadhu they told this. It is a good karma.
Então, os karma e sadhus...
But Parikshit Maharaj rejected this.
Bom karma, mas Parikshit
Proposition.
Maharaj aceitou essa...
What benefit will
Qual
be?
benefício
Just coming and coming, going and coming.
indo pra cima e pra baixo.
Wandering in the same rotation.
Pagando na mesma rotação.
Then Jnani Sadhus,
E aí,
who acquire the knowledge,
adquirem conhecimento.
Jnanat Mukti, Shastra says. If you acquire the knowledge,
Se você adquirir conhecimento,
then you get the
poder alcançar
liberation, Mukti also. Jnanat Mukti. So after Mukti, where will go?
depois de Mukti, pra onde você
Then
vai?
merge in Brahma.
Vai se fundir em Brahma.
What is Brahma?
Que é Brahma?
No sukham asti, no dukham asti.
Não tem felicidade nem tristeza.
Right?
No happiness, no happiness.
There is no happiness or no
Suffering.
suffering.
Felicidade
Good
sem
friend.
sofrimento.
Answer. In this material you will come,
Esse mundo material
then you will be suffering or not?
vai sofrer
Huh? Maya Devi is giving
Maya Devi,
many kinds of
ela dá várias
distinction, honor, Advati, Adidevi and Adidevi.
felicidade
Vital.
e
But those who are merged in Brahma,
que se fundem em Brahma,
no sukham asti or no dukham asti. There is no happiness
não tem felicidade,
or there is no
tem
distress.
tristeza, perturbação.
Huh? What will do there? Just you lay down in there as like stone.
Uma pedra,
Stone, understand? And you drop one stone
você pega uma pedra,
under the water
joga dentro da água
and stay in.
e ela fica lá.
Stone will never transport in water
Transformar em água,
and stay in.
ela vai ficar lá.
Huh? That is called merge in Brahma.
Quem vai se fundir
Who
em
will like?
Quem quer? Quem gosta? Levanta a mão.
Anyone?
Alguém?
Raise your hand.
Levanta a mão.
So Parikshit Maharaj ji told, okay, this is
Então,
my
Parikshit
need.
Maharaj falou, tá bom, eu não quero
Huh?
isso. Vamos ser também.
Then yogis, they told Maharaj, you have to practice yoga, yoga darshan.
Yoga darshan.
Understand? And after yoga darshan, then you merge in
Vai
Paramatma.
poder se fundir com o Paramatma.
Sajujya Mukti also. What Mukti?
Sajuja.
Paramatma.
Paramatma Sajujya. Two kinds of Sajujya.
Paramatma Sayujya. Tem dois tipos.
One is called Brahma Sajujya, another is called Paramatma Sajujya. Eh? Both are equal.
Os dois tipos de...
But Paramatma Sajujya is very, very dangerous.
Mais Paramatma...
If you merge in Brahma, Brahma Sajujya, maybe
Sayujya,
you will
talvez você vai
come back, some opportunity.
existe uma oportunidade
But you merge in Brahma, Paramatma Super Soul,
de esperar uma.
you cannot
Você não pode
come back.
voltar.
Huh? Understand? So Parikshit Maharaj also reject this philosophy.
Então, Parikshit Maharaj
Eh?
rejeitou essa
So
filosofia.
Karmi Sadhu, Jnani Sadhu, Yogi Sadhu, different sadhu, different philosophy.
Várias filosofias.
But Parikshit Maharaj is not happy.
Maharaj não estava feliz ou satisfeito.
Eh? Then what will do?
O que fazer, então?
In the meantime,
Nesse meio tempo,
Sukadev Goswami Pad
Goswami
arrived.
chegou.
Then Sukadev Goswami Pad
Seu Deus Goswami Pad disse.
Hey Maharaj Parikshit, I will
Maharaj
give
Parikshit,
conclusion which our previous Guru Varga Acharya did.
Então, na verdade, o que os
What is that?
acharyas anteriores falaram, eu vou
Fala.
dizer.
What is the sloka? Etad nirviddamanam nichitam akutobhayam yoginam api nirnitam harer namanukirtan. Harer namanukirtan. Because this Kali Yuga,
Nessa Kali Yuga,
Kali Yuga's dharma, that's Nam Sankirtan.
Nama
Kali Yuga dharma, Nam Sankirtan. And Kritijo dhatu Vishnum Tretayam jajate makhai Dapari Parichajjan or Kalu ये सब कीर्तन कीर्तनाक कबल हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. And if you practice Kirtanaka Bhakti, then you will get all the fruits of Sattva, Treta, Dapar, three jivas. Fruits automatically will get. Nam Sankirtan. But I have to chant pure Suddha Nam. Understand? This is the process. Not just Hare Krishna, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Ram Ram, Ram. Namayachi, Namayachi. Understand? No. Have to chant
tem que cantar
pure holy name.
os nomes puros.
नाम संख्या कलिजुग में केवल नाम अधरा सुमेरु सुमेरु नर उतर ही पार. तुलसीदास रामचरितमानस.
Tulsidas disse isso
Very
no
nice.
Charitamanas.
हरे नाम हरे नाम इव केवलम करो नास्तेव 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 हरि. तो why you are listening Hari Katha?
Então, por que vocês estão escutando
Why are we
cantar?
and Smaran Kartan, Savan Kirtan, Smaran Padisivan or Simandan Dasa Sakatma. Why you are practicing? 9 limbs of bhakti.
9 membros de Bhakti.
Only one reason.
Só tem uma razão.
And how we chant pure holy name. If you not listen Hari Katha,
Poder aprender como cantar.
then you don't know what is the pure holy name.
O que são os santos nomes?
And how we will chant
Como cantar
pure holy
os
name.
santos nomes puros.
And for the reason,
Por isso,
you have to listen
você tem que
Hari Katha.
cantar o Hari Katha.
तन्नाम रूप चरितादि सुकृत नानुस्मृतु क्रमेण रसनामनोसि निजज्जु तिष्ठन् ब्रजे तदानुरागी जनानुगामी कालम नयत अखिलम इत्त उपदेश सार. Prabhupada Swamipad composed this verse. The essence of all my nectar of instruction.
Todo o néctar da instrução.
And the whole chant pure holiness.
Cantar os santos nomes puros.
तन्नाम और उपचरित सुकृत नाम स्मृतो. We chant Lord's sweet names,
Antes os
Madhur.
nomes do Senhor. Madhur.
Though Krishna's all name is sweet,
Todos os nomes de Cristo
Madhur.
sejam doces. Madhur.
and because Krishna is embodiment of
Personificação de
Madhur. Madhur understand?
transcendência sutil.
Sweet, transcendental sweetness.
Da doçura transcendente.
And adharang madhuram, nayanang madhuram, and ramanang madhuram, chalitang madhuram, hasitang madhuram, madhuradhipate akhilam madhurashtra. Bharvacharya, he composed it. All sweet, sweet, sweet. And as like you made one very nice, beautiful and doll with the sugar. So which part of the doll is more
É mais
sweetest? Sweetest.
é
And
parte.
leg,
A perna,
hands,
as mãos,
mouth,
a boca,
ears, which one?
qual que é a parte mais doce?
Everything.
Everything's
Eh? Why?
Por quê?
Fala.
Fala.
because it's all sweet.
All six, you are right. Good. Answer me. So in the same way, the
Da
Krishna,
mesma maneira, Krishna,
all limbs and body is a madhur.
do corpo de
Madhuram mudra, madhurabdipate, akhilam madhuram. But here Rupa Goswami Prabhupada said,
Rupa Goswami Pada, o que ele está dizendo?
Krishnan Braje. And you have to stay in Braj, Brajamandal, Vrindavan. But which place of Vrindavan you will stay? Then question comes.
Govardhan.
Huh? Which place? Huh? You forget. Radha Adhipattam Vrindavanam Vasam Mamastu. Remember this sloka. What is it called? Radha Adhipattam Vrindavanam Vasam Mamastu. May I stay and in Vrindavan? That place completely, absolutely dominated by material. So saying Radha, you write. What do you write? Radha Adhipatta. Don't forget. Next time, every day I am saying, I will forget. Radha Adhipattam Vrindavanam Vasam Mamastu. Radha Adhipatta Vrindavanam Vasam Mamastu. Not every place. But which place? Srimati Radhika's Adhipatta Bhuna. Completely dominated by Srimati Radhika. Hari Radha Kunda. Radha Kunda. Topmost. But how will go to Radha Kunda? Step by step. Vaikuntha. So far these are Rupa Goswami Pada. Vaikuntha Janito Vara Madhupuri Tatrapi Rasutsavat Vrindavan Mudra Pani Tatrapi Govardhana. Radha Kundam Girivara Radhika Madhva Rakta Jasa Patita Kripaya. Oh, this sloka. One sloka. Next, another sloka. No, Vaikuntha Janito Vara Madhupuri Tatrapi Rasutsava Vrindavan Mudra Pani Ramana Tatrapi Govardhana. Radha Kunda Girivara Gokulapate Dema Manga Plavanat Viveki Naka. It's the topmost place in Vaikuntha. If you go Vaikuntha, will not happen. Then you will go where? Mathura will not happy. If you go Vrindavan, also will not happy. If you go Giriraj Govardhan, also not happy. So where will you go? Radha. Topmost. But how to go step by step? Then Adu Guru Padasra Diksha Siksha Visam Veno Guru Seva. Then you will go. Understand? So for the Rupa Goswami Pada, 64 limbs of Bhakti. So 60 Bhakti Anga. First that is called Adu Guru Padasa. First taking shelter of the feet of Guru. Guru Padasa. Then Diksha, Siksha, Visram Veno, Guru Seva. No Diksha, nothing, half person. So Diksha, Siksha means you have to learn Shastra. Prepare. Learn some Goswami's commentary. Diksha. And Visram Veno Guru Seva. And Sat Gurudev with intimacy. Diksha, Siksha, Visram Veno. Step by step you will attain your perfection. Then realization will come. So this is the process. So for the Rupa Goswami Pada, he wrote 64 limbs of Bhakti. But Vishwanath Chakravarti forgot. Rupa Goswami Pada Adu Adu Shraddha. Adu Shraddha, Tato Sadhusanga, Vajanakriya, Ankri, Nishta, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav and Prem. It's the sequence. And what is saying? Adu Shraddha. Or Vishwanath Chakravarti Pal, what is it? Adu Sadhu Sangha. First you associate with sadhu. Sadhu Sangha. Because if you not associate sadhu, not listen Hari Katha, how your and unflinching faith will come. Atandiki Saddha will not come. When you listen Hari Katha from the mouth of sadhu, then your some faith will come. So what the Rupa Goswami Pad is, Vishwanath Chakravarti, Adu Sadhu Sangha. Then Vishwanath Chakravarti saying, Vale Adu Guru Mukha Dharikata Sravana. Another commentary comes. If you not listen Harikatha from Guru, how will you know that about Guru's conception vichar? You understand or not? Yes. Guru Mayavadi Guru or Guru Vaishnav Guru, Sahaja Soki Veki Guru. What is the conception of Guru? How do you know? So what will you do? Adu Guru Mukhat Harikatha. This is very important. Is that Guru? Mayavadi Guru? Aham Brahmasmi. I am Brahma. Chant this mantra. So, if you not associate with the Guru and not listen Harikatha, you may not understand what is the mood of your Guru. Mayavadi Guru, Kurmi Guru, Gyani Guru. Guru or Guru. Guru means spiritual master. Guru means cow. Understand? Sissa and Sassa. Sissa means disciple. Sassa means what do you call it? Sassa means grains. Cows are grain, eating some grains. Understand? So Sissa and Sassa look like same. Same pronunciation, same sound. What is called? Sissa and Sassa. Huh? Okay. Same sound or not?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Sissa,
Sassa. What do you call?
Sassa.
Sassa means grains. And cows, they can eat any kinds of grains. But Sissa and Sasdhatu. Sasdhatu, verbal root Sas means. So, what is called? Chastisement. Have to accept Guru's chastisement. Sasan Bhakti. Only Arjuna he told me. He told to Krishna. And whose disciple said to Guru, Gurudev, you will give me chastisement. Who will say? No one. You understand or not? But only Arjuna he told. Sisaste aham sadhi tang mang karpanna doso aparito bhavo vichanti sisaste aham sadhi tang mang. I am your disciple. I am your sister. So you have right, Gurudev, you have right to chastise me. Understand? Sasan Bhakti. Understand? Animals, they don't accept your and chastise. Understand? So for this regard, cows, what is it? Eating everything. Understand? Cows eating What is called? Grass. Another? Corn. Or husk. Husk, understand? What is the husk? Skin of the?
Rice.
And what is coming? Any kinds of grain is coming. With it. So don't you become, what is called? Sasya. Grains. And you have to accept Guru's.
Sharanagati is very hard, Srila Gurudeva. Surrender is very hard.
Very hard.
The heart.
Very hard and hard. Both words.
Very hard.
Very hard and hard. Very painful, eh?
Yes.
Yes. But what will you do? You have to
Try.
Do or die.
And chant.
Do or die.
So now coming in this. What is it? Adu Guru Mukhat Hari Katha. Listen to why? Because if you not listen Hari Katha from the mouth of your Guru, you cannot understand what is the Guru's conception. Is Mayavadi Guru or Kurmi Guru or Jnani Guru or Yogi Guru or Bhakta Guru. Eh? Understand? Kurmi Guru will always inspire his disciple. They do karma, chalo. Eh? Jnani Guru inspired his disciple how to acquire the knowledge, Jnana Arjana. Eh? Understand? A Yogi Guru inspired his yoga. Understand? Early in the morning, this way, up and down. Huh? Understand? Health is wealth. Huh? Understand? Sud Bhakta Guru, what do we say? We practice devotional service. Eh? Kirtan, Hari Katha. And now 9 o'clock. This is true or not? Listen Hari Katha. It's very important. Okay, you have to little bit walk, this is true. Morning walk. If your health is not good, then you cannot see it, you cannot listen Hari Katha. This is true. Need. And that means not the only jogging, and coming back and jogging, understand?
Yes.
And running. Are you after morning walk, listen Hari Katha or not? And glorify to Krishna. And Guru Parampara, Krishna Bandhana. This is dreams of bhakti. Bhakta sadhu always engage to you how to practice devotional service to God. Bhakta. This is the duty of so Karmi sadhu, Jnani sadhu, and Yogi sadhu, then so now we come in this Sukdev Goswami Pad when he arrived Parikshit, assembly of the Parikshit Maharaj. And Parikshit Maharaj asked the same question. You know, if anybody about to die, then what is his duty? That means after 7 days you will die. What do you do now? Then Sukdev Goswami Pad told very simple. Well, I am not giving any conclusion. Whatever previous Acharya Shuddha Bhakta, they already give the conclusion. Understand? I am not giving all my conclusion. But what is the conclusion? Well, etad viruddha mananam ichatam akutobhyam yoginam api nirnitam harer namam. Yeah, yogi means bhakta yogi, all bhakta yogis. And Vyas, Parasar, They already mentioned in their Shastra.
Mencionaram isso em suas escrituras.
Yes. Narad, Vyas, Parasar, all the devotees.
Todos eles, grandes rishis de
Yes. They already is the conclusion. What the conclusion?
conclusão.
Hare
Nama
Namanu Kirtan. Nam San. Here Nam means listen Krishna Katha, Krishna Nam. Nam, Roop, Gun, Leela. Everything is included in Hare Namanu Kirtan. Sometimes listen Harikatha, sometimes do Kirtan, sometimes dancing, sometimes singing, sometimes rolling on the ground. You are not rolling on the ground. But if you go Bengal, they are rolling on the ground or not? Why you are not rolling on the ground? Then your cloth will be dirt. And you go Bengal, they are rolling on the ground. Even the ladies also do.
Yeah.
You have seen or not?
Yeah.
Yes, like this.
Nice, Sravanam Kirtanam Vishnu Smaranam Pada Sevanam Vajan Bandham Dasa Sapka Bhakti Iti Pumsarpita Vishnu Bhakti Chet Navalaksham. 9 names of Bhakti. So I am saying the Parikshit Sukdev Goswami Pad told, this is the conclusion.
Essa é a conclusão.
Harinam Sankirtan. That means you listen, Harikatha, and chant holy names, dance and sing. Then when your predicted time will come, then automatically give up this body and attend to your destination, Guru Vrindavan. As like snake, give up his old skin and coming out.
Ekijis.
This is the process also. When you will go out, you don't know. And attend to Guru Vrindavan and say, how is people for me? Radha, Krishna, different for Radha and Krishna. And service to different for Radha. So what can you do? Bhajite bhajite samaya asile edeho chariya diva. Bhajite bhajite samaya asile. Perfect bhajan and sadhan. And sadhan and bhajan. Then when my predicted time will come, and I will give up this body. And then I will receive my transcendental body, Siddha, Siddha. And with my Siddha, Siddha, I will attend to Guru Vrindavan. Sapardiya Bhaktivinoda Thakur concluded last day. Dekhite, dekhite, bhuliva bhakave, nija sudha parijaya. Hare nayane herivo, bhajapura sobha, nikachitanandama. Krishanupure janamadoniva, jabate viva. When Krishna performs his Prakriti line, that time you would be go there. But that time is what? Then all the Sakhis of Srimati Radhika They will give proper training to you. And how to play mridanga, how to play harmonium, how to dance, how to sing. Now you are singing, dancing is good. But you will go there, they will give proper training. Lalita Devi, she will bring to you, Srimati Radhika, and give some special instruction. That is called Agna Seva. What is called? Kalladasi kari Lalita Sundari Amare Loiya Kave Radhika Pade Kale Nari Agna Seva Samadhi Agna Seva Samadhi Agna Seva Samadhi Then after Prakat Lila, when you will get perfect training. Training will be what? Perfect. If you fail, then cannot go. Huh? Huh?
If you fail, what happened?
Then again, give chance. Huh? Good or not?
Yes.
If you fail, what? Huh? Everybody will pass. So who will fail? Because there is what is the past, there must be someone will be fail. But very rare they will fail. Understand?
The screening is good before.
Understand? Very rare
Fail.
fail. Only those who are crazy and lazy will fail. Who is crazy or who is lazy? Raise one hand. No,
Lazy.
no lazy, no crazy. There is no lazy and no crazy also. Must be someone also. But that is very rare. Then Krishna Jugma again give the chance. Opportunity. Good or not?
Good.
So when train, then That is called Vastu Siddhi. That is called after Vastu Siddhi. Then Krishna's Leela finished. Then Yogamaya will bring you in transcendental world. Then you will become the Parikar and associate of Divine Radha and Krishna. Parikar, Baligan. Here use this word Bali. And not saying the Parikar Gali. What is saying? Bali. Bali. Written or not? And Parikar, Baligan.
As like.
As like. You cannot become Parikar.
Sadhana Siddha.
You are become Paladasi, this is true.
It is far still.
But you are so saying it.
Bali.
And as like. But there is also no discrimination, I'm not saying this. But you realize yourself.
Not the same level.
Understand? You cannot same level of Lalita Visakha, Rup Manjari, Rati Manjari. But Lalita Visakha, Rup Manjari, Rati Manjari, they are very, and what is called? And Liba, what is called? Broader. Udar Chitta. What do you call? Udar Chitta. Broader. So magnificent and magnanimous. They will give some chance to you to serve to how to serve to Srimati Radha. But mostly you will get the service little bit far from Srimati Radha. That is Sanskrit word. That is called Durgata Seva. Understand? Lalita Visakha Rupanjari, their service very close. That is Sanskrit word. That is called Nikadgata Seva. What is called? You may make the garland and you may collect the flowers and make the garland. But that garland, Lalita Visakha Rupanjari, they will be decorated Srimati Radhika's and theirs and something else. And Rupa Goswami Pal, Dambila Dhati. Vividha Kusuma Binde, Dambila Dhati, Vividha Madhukurna, Keki Pinchi Pasasti. Madhurva Bindu Madhurva Bimbo Digna Tamula Raga Spurtamala Kopalam Radhika Varshaya. Good Preman. Hello Vrindavan Bihari Lal. Jai Jai Shri.
50 minutes to reach the
Huh?
50 minutes to reach up there.
Okay, now we'll take breakfast. Then after breakfast we'll go.